Welcome. Today we're diving into why machine learning is a game changer you need to master right now. Machine learning is transforming every industry, driving innovation, creating new opportunities, and securing your future career. It's more accessible than you think. Welcome to Sallisto AI Academy, your gateway to mastering machine learning from scratch. We offer clear explanations and hands-on projects, ensuring you grasp every concept thoroughly. Our approach is zero fluff, focusing on real skills and real applications that make a difference. So why does machine learning matter so much today? ML is the engine behind modern technology, from personalization on Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube to Google Search and Maps. It powers face unlock, fraud detection, and even generates new content like images, videos, and voices. Let's look at some truly impressive AI capabilities. AI creates realistic videos and avatars, while chatbots can now talk like humans, making interactions incredibly natural. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality. AI doctors diagnose diseases with accuracy, and robots are learning tasks independently. At Sallisto AI, you won't just learn, you'll build impactful projects. You'll build a movie recommender system, predict house prices with ML, and create a spam detection model, all using real datasets. Plus, you'll learn to visualize data like a pro and explore bonus tools creators use, like voice cloning and avatars. Machine learning applications span across every major industry. Healthcare uses ML for diagnostics, finance for fraud detection, e-commerce for recommendations, gaming for NPC behavior, and social media for feed ranking and filters. Machine learning isn't just the future, it is very much the present. So why should you learn ML? Learning ML will future-proof your career, help you automate your work, build creative AI tools, and unlock high-paying jobs and new opportunities. Become a creator, not just a consumer, and join the group that builds the future. Join our community, resolve your doubts, and start your machine learning journey today. Subscribe to the class now and drop your first "Hi Amy" in the comments to get the Discord link.